behold your adorable face. Just a song at the start, and it soon is a hymn to your grace.
When the music swells, I'm touching your hand. It tells me you're standing near. And
at the sound of your voice, heaven opens its portals to me.
Can I help but rejoice that a song such as ours came to be?
And I always